Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to zip a file. First you need to go to Files. Then go to On My Phone. Here tap on these three dots on your top right corner. Select the option of New Folder. Name this file and hit Done. Now go back and open Photos. Now you need to select the multiple photos. Once you're done, tap on this arrow from your bottom left corner. Then go to Save to Files. Now select On My iPhone and select the folder you have just created. Tap on Save from the top right corner. After that, go to My Files. Tap to open the folder you have created previously. Go back and tap and hold this folder. Here you'll see the option of Compress. Tap on it. As you can see, your selected folder has been zipped. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.